Hey, space fans. The past 2 weeks have brought 5 massive space stories you probably haven't heard yet. From China's Asteroid Comet mission to a record-breaking black hole collision. Strap in, here comes your Space Pulse report. This is our first Pulse video, and we're so glad you've joined us. Our first story, Tianwen II. On May 28, 2025 at 1731 UTC, China launched Tianwen II aboard a Long March 3B from Jichang. Watch that launch. It's the opening burst of what may be the mission of the decade. After launch, it's targeting asteroid Gamoho Aliva. It'll arrive in June 2026, orbit until 2027, then return a sample capsule in November, same year, 2027. But it doesn't stop there. The spacecraft will journey on to rendezvous with Comet 311P, a full decade-long mission from start to finish. Let me break this down. The team has planned a multi-year, multi-targeted tour. First Asteroid, then Comet. This ambitious sequence is rare in space exploration. In addition, let's look at the mission complexity. The Tianwen II will anchor itself onto a tumbling asteroid using robotic arm. Think of docking onto a spinning boulder in zero gravity. Now here's the kicker. China released the first in-space images from 590,000 kilometers. They show Earth and the Moon both in one frame. That visual means the solar panels are operational. And the spacecraft, it's healthy and on track. I love how they delivered those images. It's like opening a postcard from deep space, just a few weeks after launch. Next up, we have the Rubin Observatory. On June 23rd, the Rubin Observatory captured its first light, revealing stunning nebulae and identifying over 2,100 new asteroids in under 10 hours. This telescope's 3.2 gigapixel camera will scan the entire southern sky every few nights, creating a time lapse of the evolving universe. It's not just beautiful, it's powerful. Rubin's observation helps with planetary defense, transient events, galactic evolution, you name it. What's rare here is synergy. Rubin discovers asteroids as NASA and China coordinate physical missions. It's collaboration across borders, even when politics stay tense. On another story, we had a record-breaking black hole merger. Big news, LIGO Cadre just detected the heaviest black hole merger ever, 225 times the mass of our sun, smashing previous records. What does this matter? It challenges our understanding of how stars collapse. Were these black holes from the previous collisions? Are we seeing second-generation giants? This is science in action. I'm blown away. This is gravity's ultimate stress test, and we're watching it happen. In our next story, NASA's budget and ISS funding. Congress has voted to protect NASA's science budget. Huge win. But ISS funding still hung in the balance with a proposed 47% cut. The ISS isn't just a floating lab. It supports vital experiments in climate, science, biology, combustion, physics. A massive cut could delay or derail decades of research. If the ISS loses support, where will critical space-based experiments go? The question is urgent for the future of space science. Okay, let's talk Artemis II. The Artemis II crew is training like crazy at Kennedy Space Center. The Artemis II crew is deep into that training, geology, cockpit simulations, integrated mission drills for their upcoming 2026 lunar flyby. This isn't checklist stuff, it's real mission readiness. The crew is practicing every scenario, preparing to journey humans around the moon, the first since Apollo 17. Artemis II will open a doorway to Mars and beyond, and these astronauts are building the path. Coming up also, we're looking forward to the New Glenn rocket. Isn't it amazing how it looks like it's just taking off in slow motion? Also, SpaceX, the Starship, is going to take off in the 10th one. Let's hope this time it makes it back all the way. No more blowing up. I was surprised the last 2 times when we seen it blow up in the sky. But we're told that that's over. With V3 coming on, we're expecting great things. Blue Ghost has landed on the moon, started looking at what the moon's made of. Pretty soon we'll have the reports. Is the moon hollow? We know it rang like a bell. We'll have those reports to you soon. We've covered launch, mission tech, cosmic telescopes, black hole science, space policy, and lunar traveling. All in less than 12 minutes. Each of these stories shows us where space exploration is headed. Interplanetary sample returns, deep sky surveys, gravitational frontiers, policy battles, human space flight. These stories don't just inform, they invite us to join the journey, to ask questions, to be excited about our place in this cosmos. Which story hit you the hardest? Was it the decade-long mission? Was it the deep space images? Or the black hole surprise? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one of them. If you're ready for another Space Pulse, subscribe and hit the bell. We launch again in 2 weeks. Oh, you're still here? Here's a bonus. What do you think should be the next big space mission we cover? What's your idea? What would you like us to report on? Tell us below in the comments, and we'll do all the research for you. All right, thanks for joining us here on Pulse, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.